Have you ever tried the new volcano tacos?
No, they're the nachos, dude. Do not try them. Seriously, there's like, just like seriously, if I were shit out and your butt is like
on fire.
Yeah. And when you just keep drinking because your throat's like, and you just take a drink, and it's like, you sprint to the bathroom, and then you're like,
let's have another one.
Yeah, you're like, dude, now I just have to go bite, but one bite at a time.
Mason
over there.
Mason had the volcano taco, and he said it wasn't spicy at all.
Yeah, he's lying to you.
He was sitting there eating it right in front of me, and he didn't. She say the Golden Corral, Golden Corral gator when she ate there. It's an alligator. Your poop is so big. And then my dad calls Taco Bell Taco Smell. So I got a new phone, and same ones. Do you like my little boat background? Because they deleted all my pictures.
This is my background.
So now I have all this. This little. I gotta set the one.
Got a little booger in my nose.
Dude, what the heck? You have to rotate this.
JK.
God, this is gay. Freaking poop. Dude, Ethan and AJ called her a hoe.
Dude, she doesn't even do the stuff.
Oh, well. I'm just hearing what I heard.
Oh, snapskis.
Megan, go get some friends.
Dude, shut your face. Seriously.
Shut your hole. What the heck?
I'd just like to say